Hello guys, so in this video I'll be showing you this pro calculator. Let me just move it. Oh no, it's a BMI calculator. So first I'm gonna click run and then weight, how much you weigh, and just put 80 in height in millimeters or meters, or it's probably meters, or yeah. So this is a height, 5'6", 3.2. Okay, so this video I'll be showing you what this is and the BMI calculator and stuff, and yeah. So this is a label. So this is label topic. This is another label. This is a text input, label, text input, and then button, and then button. So yeah, there's only one screen. So I'll name it screen BMI. So let me go code. And then first, this one is on events. You get an on event from UI controls. And then you put button BMI. So there's click. Next you go to variables. So variables, and then you drag it over here. You get 3 variables. First one is weight. So how much you weight. And then you go to UI controls again. And then you get number. Next, I'll be putting it as text weight. So it's text weight right here. So this one's text weight, this one's text height, this one is label weight, yeah. So we're gonna do the same thing as for height. And then you get number again, so get number over here. And then I put text height. So you put here, text height, which is over here. So variable BMI, weight, height times height. So you go to math. So first you're gonna get the divide operator and put it on here. And then you put weight. So weight is right here. And then height times height. So you get the multiply symbol, the multiply operator. And then you put it in the second box. So you put the divide operator first, and then you put the multiply there inside. Next, you're going to go to your controls, and then you're going to get set text. So set text, label, answer, and then BMI. So BMI, the variable over here, and then you put the name of it, BMI, and then you get set text, label, answer. Next, you're going to go to control, and then you're going to get an if else. So first you're going to go to show text on the top right over here. And then we're going to get an if box. So if block from your control, not your controls. So, and then you get if, and then that, and then BMI is lesser, greater than 30. And then you're going to get set property. So you usually get your controls, and then you get set property all the way in the bottom, set property right here. And then you get the quotation marks inside, and then you get label answer, and then comma, and then quotation marks again, background color, and then comma, and then quotation marks again, and red. Set property, label answer, background color as orange. So set property again. Well, you put else if, and then BMI greater than 25. Set property label answer, background color to orange. So you'll put you'll copy this, copy and paste, and then you paste it, and then else if again. So you copy else if over here, and then you paste it right here, and then else if BMI greater than 18.5. Next, you get the set property again, and then label answer, quotation marks, background color, quotation marks, and then green. So that means good. And then you just put else. So that will finish the rest. And then set property, label answer, background color as yellow. So let me show blocks. So orange. And then, yeah. And then set property, label answer, background color, green, yellow, orange, or red. So, yeah. So, I'll be running it again. And wait. Probably put 150, maybe. And then you put as 5, 6. You get 6. So, anything higher, lower, it's gonna turn red, orange, green, and then yellow. So yeah, bye.